Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the gallon door bean in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new gallon door bean. This gallon door bean is mounted at the top of the refrigerator door. It's used for storing large containers on a door shelf. The main reason why the gallon door bean should be replaced is if it's cracked and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove this bean, we need to pull on this tab, and the bean is supposed to come off. If it's not, then we're going to do it on the opposite side. Pull on the tab. This is the old gallon door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's install the new door gallon bean on the door. I'm going to place this over that little notch on the door. And I'm going to install this side. Push it in, and it will lock. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.